Today, I'm going to be looking at a set of 3 cutting boards by Vipcook. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send them to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the package, you are going to have 3 different sizes of cutting boards. I really like the fact that they include 3 different sizes because sometimes I don't want to get out the giant cutting board if I'm just doing something small, like, say, chopping cilantro or parsley for a recipe. Each of the cutting boards does have a little well along the outside to catch any liquid that's coming off of your vegetables, say if you were chopping tomatoes or something like that. It is nice because there's a non-slip lip on either side on the bottom. So even if the counter is wet, it's pretty stable. Today I'm going to be cutting this apple. I want to see if it leaves any knife marks. It probably will. Most cutting boards do. These are dishwasher safe, which is really nice. As I suspected, we do have knife marks, but that is to be expected with any cutting board. I have never met a cutting board that wasn't marble or wood that didn't have marks like this.